How to change MX Player language. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change MX Player app language easily and fast. First thing, go to the app. Now as you can see, this is the home page. Go to the top corner right here and click on those three lions. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just click on the first option, app language, and it will take you to this page. Now choose the language that you want and click on it, and it will be updated automatically. It's so easy and fast, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.